Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we are drawing a ballerina. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start on the top of the paper, and the first thing I'm gonna do is a letter U for the face. So I'm gonna go from left to right, and we can go super slow to make sure our letter U is even. And now I'm gonna close this with a curved line that goes up and then goes back down. And on top of this curve, I'm gonna do another one right here. I'm gonna leave a little space in the middle, and I'm going back down. And let's do one more, okay? So this one I did is the band that she has on her hair, and now this is gonna be the hair. Okay, let's do one more, but this is halfway, just here in the middle. And so this one is not gonna be that long, and it's kind of like a rectangle shape. And on top of these ones, we're gonna do more hair with half a circle. And then here I'm gonna start doing lines that go down just like this, and let's do the same in this one. Okay, this is the other part of the hair, so I'm going up with lines, and I'm doing these lines with the tip of the marker so they go a little thin. And here on this one is the band that she has on her hair. We're gonna do a bow, just two curved lines just like this. Okay, now here I'm gonna do a letter W for more hair, another letter W, and that's it. Let's continue with the eyes. My eyes are gonna be just two black dots. The nose is gonna be a backwards letter C. The smile is a letter U. And we're gonna put here two little lines for eyebrows. And the last step, lashes, two little lines on each side of the eyes. There. Now let's do ears, two half circles, and that's it. Now let's do the neck right here. So I'm doing two lines, and it looks like kind of like a square shape. Now let's do two lines on each side of this square, and right underneath we're gonna do a triangle that is pointing down. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna go from this point down and this point down. You see the triangle? Now here I'm gonna do another line, and this line is shorter than the shoulders, okay? Because I want to do here a diagonal line that goes down in each side, just like this. And then here on the center, we're going to do a letter X. So I'm doing the first two lines, and then from here, I'm doing two more. This is the first ones, and close it. Okay? It's just like a letter X. Now let's do the arms. In each side, we're going to do a curved line. So I'm going left, and now I'm going right. Let's do the hands, and from that I'm doing here an upside down letter U, and now a sideways letter U, and now we can close the arm. Let's do the same on the right side. Upside down letter U, a sideways letter U, and close it. There. Now for fingers, I'm just doing two little lines on each letter U, and that's it. Now let's continue with the tutu, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is two lines here. So let's start with the left side, and these lines just go a little farther than the hands, just like that. And now let's do a curved line. Goes in, curved line, and now I'm gonna do another line, and these lines pass a little bit the curves that we just did. And now let's repeat the process, curve and curve. Now another line, and these lines are going kind of like a straight up, still in a diagonal shape. And now here we're gonna close it with a curved line, just like this. Now let's continue with the leg, and the first leg is going straight down. So let's do a diagonal line, and as we're going down, the second line I'm gonna do here is getting closer and closer to the first one. Now let's close it. And we're going to start doing the ribbons here. So I'm going first, I'm going down here and here. Now let's do one that goes to the right and one more that goes to the left. And here I'm gonna put one more. Let's see, right here and here. This last one, you don't have to do it exactly like I did. Now let's do the ballet shoes, and we're gonna do a curved line in each side, and the bottom is gonna be a horizontal line. It's very flat. Okay, and now let's do a diagonal line for the other leg. So this diagonal line comes here, and now let's do the shoe, and it's just a curved line that goes down a little bit. Okay, it's in behind the other one. And here I'm just gonna fit one ribbon just like this, and that's it. We finished. Congratulations, you get to this point. You did so awesome. And now you can stop the video if you want to copy what we did, or you can continue to my favorite part. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.